Ever since the market took a turn for the worse, we've been seeing a real decline in the amount of videos displaying brokerage accounts. Now, I just want to have a talk. I just want to, ask who told me to buy Airbnb and, AMC, GameStop, and Bed Bath & Beyond. I just want to talk. That's it. I just want to talk. Now, with the recent market crash, my investing strategy has changed in a very big way. And today I'll be showing you my stock portfolio as well as my crypto portfolio. Now let's go ahead and log in. Let's log into Charles Schwab here. Alrighty. So here we have my portfolio. You can see I bought Apple from last time. Apple's a really good company that I like. It was at a low point. It's still going down. This whole market is gonna probably keep going down. But yeah, it pays a dividend, which is something I wanted, and Apple ain't going anywhere. Then I decided to buy Airbnb. I've been really riding this one, but I kind of agree with the hate that it's getting. Um, you know, you always get hit with a cleaning fee after you scrub it down for like 2 hours, and it's just not a good like service anymore. I don't feel like so it'll probably go back up above its high, but I don't feel like it's going to go any like high growth yield. Amazon is another great stock like Apple. It's not going anywhere. It's number one service provider for delivery, so it's a great stock. DraftKings, meme stock. Thought it was going to go high. It's not going to go high, fortunately. Ford, this one pays a dividend. So it's a great stock. This is what I wanted to buy. I have 10 shares of it. It's going to keep going down, but this is the dividend side that we're seeing here. Google doesn't pay dividend. It's Class A and Class C share. I have 6 Class A and 5 Class C. It's been getting hit real hard, unfortunately, but we're gonna ride it. It's gonna get better. Just trust me, it'll get better. Snapchat, this sucker was trading at $85, like a year or two ago, and I was really trying to buy it because I thought it would go back up, but then Be Real came out, and it just really just tanked it. I don't think Snapchat is gonna go up any higher at this point. Tesla, yeah, that's my biggest loss. It doesn't pay a dividend, but when we see the actual full market analysis and my true losses, it's gonna be a little brutal. Tata Motors owns Jaguar, Range Rover, Land Rover. They don't pay a dividend. They're actually going to be delisted from the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq, whichever one they're in. And I'll have to sell. I'll probably have to sell for a loss, unfortunately. So you learn to get knocked off your feet early. Nothing to do but go up from here, hopefully. And then Uber Technologies. I'm a big rider in Uber. I really think that they'll continue to be the number one service for rideshare. Even with the Uber Eats delivery, I think they have a really good shot. They don't pay a dividend, but that is why I got the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. They do pay pretty good dividend, as does the VTI ETF. I received for the VTI $1.73. We're not making lots of money here, but we're making some money. That's all we got to do. That's all we got to do. So I'm looking to get the SEPI. I think that's the ticker symbol. ETF that's also pays a dividend, and I think that's really what I'm going to start with the dividends from that point. So let's actually look at my actual account with all my loss. Ooh, this is hard to look at. Airbnb, like I said, has been a terrible loss, but it's a pretty big loss. Google, as you can see, it's a pretty big loss. Each share, I've just been losing. Even just yesterday, Friday, I lost $15 combined from these stocks. It's been rough. I don't think it's gonna go back up anytime soon. Amazon was another $5. Apple another $1, and then DraftKings, hey, 29 cents in total. That's not too bad. Ford, it went up yesterday, which 9 cents, not a lot, but it's something. Snapchat, 8 cents down. Tata Motors, a whole dollar down. Yeah, I don't think I need to be selling this. I think the last date or the day it's gonna be delisted is either 23rd or the 27th. So by then I'll have to, if it goes near anywhere like 25, I'll just go ahead and sell it. Tesla, only $1.91 down. I consider that a W at this point. That's a big W right there. That is a very big W. And then Uber's down $6.60. So as you can see, I'm down about $1,300 in total. And at the peak of this account, I was up, around $5,000. No, I wasn't up at $5,000. I was up around $800 for a total around $5,000 for its entire portfolio. And you'll see with the Schwab dividend ETF and the VTI ETF that I have, down about 69 cents. Nice. And then $1.84 for a total loss of $2.53 just from the ETFs. So we're not down big amount. For the ETFs in total, I'm down about $14. Not too bad. But where the big losses or the big percentage losses comes from crypto. Now let's look at this. I invested around $15 into this. Yeah, you can see I lost about 42% of my crypto portfolio. Currently have an $8.98 balance. Total return of negative $6.50. With a 42% loss. Bitcoin, I currently have $2.73 of, perfect amount. I have an Ethereum, $6.25. This crypto account, at its peak was worth about $15. Not a lot, but we're slowly going to increase that. I really don't think crypto will get back to its high point where it was around $67,000. And Ethereum was around $4,000, I think. I probably am wrong about that. No, it's probably around 4,000. I think it'll go back to like $35,000 for Bitcoin and around like 3.2k for not 3, like 2.2k for Ethereum. But besides that, thank y'all for watching. Hopefully we get better returns. I'm praying in 2023. Besides that, peace.